Hi to all. Today we are going to discuss priorities of operational management. The challenge of an operational manager involves developing a sustainability business strategy that protects the external environment while maximizing the profitability to your organization. In other way, in the present situation, operational managers are facing many problems to sustain their business because of global competitiveness, external environment and internal environment, and they need to concentrate on maximizing their profits. Designing operations. Because of service can't be stored, its products and consumption will occur at the same time. That implies that the producer of the service will come in contact with the customer. The operational manager is responsible for executing the disaster recovery plan. In other way, in the present situation, if any product is manufactured or delivered to the customer, unfortunately, if something happened to that delivered product, the managers are responsible because service can't be stored. That implies on production and the brand of the company. So, operation managers are responsible for that recovery product. Competitive knowledge. Organization engage in acquisitions and a number of reasons ranging from the expansion of operations and market share to the desire for the innovative and knowledge and operation strategies typically driven by the overall business strategy of the organizations. Consequently, managers use strategic plan as a management function to allocate resource to the programmed activity calculated to achieve the dynamic competitive knowledge. In the other way, organizations are going for expansion of their business and increase their market value and do their innovative things in favor of customers to earn profits. Other customers. It also includes coordination and collaboration with the channel partners, which can be suppliers, intermediates, or third party service providers and customers. Organizations are concentrating only on service because production department has been changed. Day by day, a new product has been innovated to the market. So, organizations are depending upon third party service providers. Objective organization. Your organization is able to implement major strategic challenges to reduce cost and increase customer service level with very level description to overall supply chain operations. Is the management is only a function by which managers can directly affect the value provided to shareholders, customers, employees, and investors and stock. In the other way, organizations are implementing strategies to reduce cost because of daily changing technology. Their concentration on service and good product delivery and to increase their profits. Natural disasters. To avoid communication failures, managers must take key steps to sharpen all the communication skills, including verbal communication and written communication, and the gift of persuasion and critical listening skills. Integrated business planning that involves people, process, technology elements of the business. In the present situation, as we are providing the service and production to the globalization, we need to know all the knowledges, languages, and communication skills, verbal and non-verbal communications with the other countries. It also helps for the people, process, and technology of the business. Responsible activities. It involves in essential steps for producing good quality control, management, and supply chain facility, the production, formulation, design, ordering, and good warehousing, and good contact vendor purchasing of the external products. In the other way, when we are producing all the good quality products, quality control products, and managing the supply chain, all the activities with our management and with the production, formulation, and with the design, we can get a good results, not delaying a product to the customer so we can produce